What do we observe in the sky after rainfall? Yes, a beautiful multiple-colored rainbow. But where did all these colors come from? We know that the sunlight is referred as white light. When this light passes through glass prism, the light splits into 7 colors. It means that the beam of white light has split up into its constituent colors. Group of these colors represent the spectrum of white light. Therefore, this phenomenon of splitting of white light into its constituent colors is called the dispersion of light. Coming back to the rainbow, we can now say that the dispersion of white light passing through the water droplets formed the rainbow. The colors can be seen in the following order: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red or vigbio.